What's up, LTD addicts? Brizy is on LTD. Wait, Brizy has been on LTD since it was released like 2 years ago. So why is it on AppSumo? In this video, I'm going to explain to you the difference between the LTD on the Brizy website and the LTD on the AppSumo website, so you can decide which deal is best for you, if any. Stay tuned. All right, let's start at the beginning. What the heck is Brizy? Brizy is a full-featured web page builder that helps you develop great-looking sites from scratch without writing any code. Now, if you're like me, you've heard of Brizy before. Way back in 2017, it was first released. There are two versions at that point in time anyway. There's regular Brizy and Brizy Pro. Brizy was a free WordPress plugin, and it was on the WordPress repository. In fact, it still is. You can go there, download it if you're a WordPress user, and try it out. The Pro version adds the obligatory Pro features, such as pop-ups or more advanced integrations with third-party tools. And you can also do kind of a theme builder type of thing where you can create your own header or footer using the page builder. Now, all of this requires WordPress, which means you need to know like a little bit about WordPress and you need to have a web host. Now, back when Brizy was first introduced, there was an LTD available. In fact, it's still available today. It allows you, the Brizy Pro LTD allows you to install Brizy Pro on unlimited WordPress websites. So for the rest of this video, let's refer to that original LTD as the Brizy Pro LTD. Then, in April of this year, Brizy introduced Brizy Cloud and everything changed. So Brizy Cloud brought the Brizy functionality, the page builder, to the web without the need for a WordPress backend. Now, this is huge. I mean, if you just think about that, not having to deal with WordPress is really appealing to a lot of people. So this positions Brizy as a page builder that's more like something like Unbounce, and then recently they've added in full site building capability where you can add multiple page websites. And so now it's starting to look a little bit more like a Webflow type of application. So it's not just another WordPress plugin when you think of Brizy Cloud in that respect. As a consolation to early adopters, the Brizy team added 2 years of Brizy Cloud to the LTD buyers' accounts. Now, understandably, they didn't give you unlimited Brizy Cloud hosted websites because that's a surefire way to go bankrupt. Now, flash forward 6 months and enter the AppSumo Brizy LTD. The LTD you see on AppSumo for Brizy features Brizy Cloud front and center. So let's refer to the AppSumo deal as the Brizy Cloud LTD. Now, each code you get from AppSumo gives you unlimited Brizy Cloud websites, but here's the caveat, you'll only be able to host 3 domains per code. Now you might be asking yourself, what good is unlimited websites if I can only host 3 domains? Well, one of the best features of Brizy Cloud is that it can be used to generate static websites that use HTML and CSS. This means you can export your site from Brizy Cloud and deploy it onto something like Amazon AWS, and it's going to cost you literally pennies a month. Now, more good news with the Brizy Cloud LTD, that's the AppSumo one. You also get unlimited subdomains, subaccounts, and team members. So this deal really seems like it's picture perfect for agencies who are running paid traffic for clients and they need to control the landing page experience. But the deal is not cut and dry. There are many more things to think about. So we're about to get a little hairy here. You really need to think about your situation to figure out what exactly is best for you. Now, if you buy the Brizy Pro LTD, that's the one direct from Brizy, it features WordPress, you'll also get all of the Brizy Cloud features for life. Only hosted custom domains will be limited. So you can still build static sites and export them. You just won't be able to host them beyond the 2-year complimentary plan that they give you. Now, if we switch back to the AppSumo deal for a second, the one thing I haven't mentioned, and this is where it's going to get a little hairy, is that you also get 1 installation of the WordPress plugin with each AppSumo code. So really, the Brizy Pro LTD gets you unlimited WordPress with just a little dash, a little sprinkling of Brizy Cloud. And the AppSumo deal, the Brizy Cloud LTD, gets you 3 hosted Brizy Cloud websites per code And you get a little bonus, you'll get a WordPress license for each code. It's important to understand here that the hosting you're getting on Brizy Cloud is not WordPress. You cannot use that license on Brizy Cloud. It would have to be a standalone host. So I don't want to confuse you any further, but you could think of this as a little different angle if you like. The AppSumo LTD gives you that single license for a WordPress plugin for just $49. Now, previously, if you wanted an LTD on the WordPress plugin, it was spend $300, get unlimited, or there were no other options. Now you can get a single site LTD for just $49. And hey, if you don't need it, you get the Brizy Cloud as a little bit of a bonus, but you don't have to use it. So there are a lot of options here, and basically it's a win for all of us, because Brizy is definitely worth it. It's a great page builder. It's my second favorite page builder, right behind Elementor. Now, Elementor has never had an LTD, and it's never going to have an LTD, so there is that. Let's continue this discussion over in the Facebook group. I'll put the link in the description for that. I'll also link up to the AppSumo LTD as well as the Brizy Pro LTD, and when you use the links that I put in the description, that helps support the channel. Those are referral links, but it doesn't cost you anything extra. So, which LTD is right for you? Are you more confused or more clear on this deal after watching this video? Let me know in the comments. I'll help straighten you out. I'll see you in the next video.